Hello everybody, Tim here. What I've got going on today is a 2008 Ford Focus. I put a radiator in it and got everything buttoned up and started putting some coolant back in. I found another leak. And it actually, what it is, it's the thermostat, it's the water outlet that's on the back of the head. It's got an O-ring, and they frequently go out. It's got three hoses that go in. The top radiator goes in one side, and then a heater hose comes out the other side, and then on the bottom of it, another heater hose comes out. And I'm going to flip my camera around and show you where it's at and what it looks like. Okay, here's the car, little Ford Focus. It's a 2008. Let me show you the part first and what happens. I took it off. Here's the housing. You can see right here where it bolts. These bolt to the block. Here's what happened. That piece broke right here. That lip right there, and it was just pouring out water running down the side of the block. Here's the part number for a new one. It's a Dorman Dorman 902-231. It's a brand new one. This one actually came with a temperature sensor installed in it. This other one didn't have a sensor in it. See, it was just blank, but it don't matter. You can either get one with it or without, I guess. They didn't ask me. But anyway, here's where the thing goes. First of all, you got to take your airbox out. Here's the airbox. Get that out of your way. Take the battery out. Take the battery tray out. And right here is where that booger goes. You see right there where it bolts on the back of the block. Got 4 bolts. It's got that one hose you see there goes on the bottom. This one goes on the top. And then here's the top radiator hose that comes to the other one. Anyway, it bolts on right there. And up here on top, it's got a bracket that holds all these wires on here. But they break and stuff. And when I took that bracket off, I don't even put them back on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's just kind of silly to even put it back on. Where'd it go? There it is. That stupid little bracket right there. It actually sets right here, like so. Like that. I don't know, the sun's shining real bright. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Anyway, I don't even put them back on. That thing is kind of senseless to be on there anyway. Anyway, if you like this video, do me a favor. Give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe to me. I'll be making a lot of videos. I've got a few out there, and I like to help people out. And have faith in yourself. You know what? You could do these little jobs like this. Just take your time and don't fret over it. And you can do it. I got faith in you. Later.